told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hello beautiful people, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very effective dark spot removal cream that will help you fade your dark spots in no time. So if you're interested in videos like this, please watch this to the end, like this video, share this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. To make this dark spot removal cream, we're going to be using this Carotone Black Spot Corrector Cream as our base. This black spot corrector cream, from the name, it clears dark spots. If you use this cream alone, it will clear your dark spots quite alright, but it's going to clear it with so much speed. You'll start seeing results from like 3 days, and that's too fast. Skincare is not magic, it's supposed to be gradually. So we're going to be adding in some natural oils and some other mild oils to this. And these natural oils will help us to reduce the speed of this black spot corrector cream so that it will clear the dark spots gradually, so that the dark spots don't end up coming back again after they've left. This is what the cream looks like. It has this creamy and milky color, and that's how you spot the original, because the fake has this brownish color. So if it's creamy, then it's original. Make sure you get the original. I'll go ahead and measure out my base cream. I'm going to be using 20 grams for this formulation. The first oil I'm going to be adding to this cream is bio oil. Trust me, this oil is so amazing. It's also a scar removal oil, and it's really great. It helps in smoothing the skin. It has anti-aging benefits. It helps with stretch marks. It helps with uneven skin tone. This oil is everything. It's very, very, very good for the skin. So I'm going to be adding it into the cream to help us again reduce how effective or the speed of that cream. I'll be adding about 15 drops of my bio oil to the base cream. The next oil I'll be adding to our dark spot removal cream is this Vit Gold Black Spots Corrector Oil made with lemongrass extracts. This oil is so amazing. I've used it on my skin and I really loved the effect. It helps with wrinkles, it helps in moisturizing, it corrects spots, and it smoothens the skin. As I said before, I've used it and I loved it, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to use it. I'll be adding 3 ml of this Vit Gold oil for the quantity we're making. The next oil we're going to be adding is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is 100% natural, unlike the other oils we've added to this cream. Sunflower oil hydrates the skin, helps with wrinkles, it soothes the skin, moisturizes the skin, and it also helps with dark spots, so it's going to help our cream. I'll also be adding just a few drops of the sunflower oil into the cream. Finally, we're going to be adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, so it's going to keep our oils from going rancid. But apart from that, vitamin E oil helps with hyperpigmentation, it helps with wound healing, and it helps to prevent UV damage. I'm also going to be adding a few drops of this to the cream, and I'm going to leave the full ingredients and their measurements in the description box, so feel free to check it out. Now that we've added all our ingredients, we're going to go ahead and mix it properly. You need to mix it very well so that your oils will not begin to separate after a while. So you need them to incorporate very well. Now our dark spot removal cream is ready. This cream is very effective. It's going to help fade dark spots on the face, help in fading darkness, dark elbows, any part of your body that is darker than the rest of the part is going to help with that. But remember that you're supposed to apply this cream directly on the spots and not all over the body or all over the face. So if you want to clear dark spots on the face, make sure you apply it directly on the dark spots and not all over your face. If you apply it all over your face, it's going to brighten your entire face and the dark spots will still be visible. But if you apply it on the spots, it's going to fade the spots without brightening the entire face. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button, drop a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in my next video, but before then, take a look at the beautiful pictures and videos I took of this dark spot corrector cream.